Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves. So let's tap on this icon in the right upper corner, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. After tapping on it, your device will inform you what it will do and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've been automatically transferred to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence because we have to allow or deny the access to the location. So we have to do it when we are opening the camera for the very first time. Okay, let me get back. And the same, not the same, but the second evidence, we do not have the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.